G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make raspberry eyeball fizz. Yeah, so let's go.
Now get a large jug and put in anywhere from 1 litre to 2 litres, depends on how much you want to make, of lemonade, Sprite, whatever. Just pour that straight in. And you're done. Just kidding. Then get about 2/3 to 3/4 of a cup of red cordial, raspberry, strawberry, whatever, and pour that in. Now, it really depends on what colour you want. So just pour a bit in first. Just give it a gentle stir. And if the colour you have there is what you like, then that's fine. If you want a little darker, pour a bit more in. Then buy a can of lychees. They're pronounced different ways from different countries. Look like that. Once you've finished that, just serve it up.
Well, I hope you like this. Oh yeah. I love eyeballs. I'll see you next time for my next meal.